Would you like to advertise in the Monthly Seagull Magazine? You can book online today at www.themonthlyseagull.com. You can also download the current issue free. Magazines are delivered door to door to homes and businesses. Get in touch today at editor@themonthlyseagull.com. You can also download the media pack for free. Check out the prices, sizes and detailed specifications. There are different advert sizes available. You'll find that it's the best value in the area. Magazines are delivered to Hastings and Bexhill, homes and businesses. What are you waiting for? Thank you.